Hello, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, October the 27th, 2021. We have here three regular Sudoku. The first one, the binary, I've already solved. The second one is Sudoku Medium, and the third one is a killer Sudoku. But first, I will continue with the second Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 3595. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. This is a 1 star Sudoku. Yeah. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. I see. Okay. Yeah. A 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this row should be the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 6 is missing, yes. So the 2, the 4, and the 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4. In this column, no 4 there. Here, 4. No 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 6. Okay. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. Okay. Then. Yeah. 3, 3. Ooh. 4, 4. Not easy at all. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. Yeah. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. Second column, one of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. Well, another 5 there, so no 5 there. The first row, we have a 5, so no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this second column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. The 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 3 there, so no 3 in this box. Only place left for the 3 should be there. All right. Then thinking 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. 9, 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 909 in these 2 boxes. There 909 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. Okay. Then 2, 3, 8. Yeah. 2, 3, 9, 2. Okay. 2, 2. Yeah. 8, 3 and a 1. 8, 3 and 1. Okay. How about the number 9? Yeah. 9. I need a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. Come on. Let me put some numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see therefore no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. And the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. Come on. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. Together with the 9, we have a pair. Alright. 8, 3, 6. Okay. And now 3, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3. I need a 1 and the 9. No, 1 in the 6. It's missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. Let me mark those two boxes. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Okay, that means now we have 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in this box. The 3 could be here, could be there. Missing number is the 2 and the 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in these two boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 3 and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 3 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, let me mark those two boxes. And now we have a 3 there. I've marked those two boxes with a 3, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. Yeah. 8 and the 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. Here cannot be a 6. We have a 6 there. 3, 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and the 8. Let me mark those. 3 and 8. 2 numbers left in this column for the number 6 and the 1 are missing. Yeah, another pair. Okay. 2, 4, 5, 9, 8. 8, 8, 8. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and the 2 are missing. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Okay, now we have a 2 there. I've marked those two boxes with a 2, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2, 8, 8, 7. 2, 8, 7. No. 8, 7 and the 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 now, so no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the column next. On that column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Okay. 1 and a 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Wow. 1 box left in this big square. For the number 1, the 2 is missing. Okay, now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 6. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there's 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 1 and the 6. Okay. 2 numbers left. No. 3 numbers left. 3, 8, 6. 3, 8, 6. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see a 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box is going to be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box is going to be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 1 there, so this box is going to be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. 1 number left in the second row for the number 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 8. 7 and an 8, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are missing. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8 are missing. 6 and 8, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. Finish, but not faster than 50 minutes. No, 18 minutes. So, is this really a 1 star? No, let me give this 2 stars. Sudoku, yes. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.